down the notes. Now let's take some few examples and then we are going to see what is going to happen. So if the number of, so word root, we are focusing on the word root. So if number of carbon atom is 1, word root is going to be meth. If it is 6, it's going to be hex, and so on. That you already know. If it is going to be 2, it's going to be eth. If it's going to be 7, it's going to be hept. If it is going to be 3, it's going to be prop. And if it is going to be 8, it's going to be oct, and so on. That you already know. Okay? So now let's talk about the position of the unsaturation. Yeah. So now we have two examples. So you tell me which is the correct numbering. So if you talk about the position of unsaturation, so it is not applicable for alkenes, because in alkenes carbon-carbon single bond is there. So there is no need of unsaturation. So we cannot see the position of unsaturation in case of alkanes. Number 2, numbering of the straight chain is done from the end which is nearer to the unsaturation. So we will start doing the numbering from that end in which we can see that the double bond or the triple bond is nearer. So we have two examples. So in this case, we are doing the numbering from this side. So can you see? Carbon-carbon double bond is coming at the 4th position of carbon. Now, if you do it from here, so and the third, I mean at the second only we are getting this carbon-carbon double bond. So the numbering is done from that side in which we get the unsaturation nearer. Okay. So now while writing the IUPAC names, a hyphen is used to separate numerals and alphabets. So if you want to separate numerals and alphabets, we need to put a hyphen. Okay. These are simple rules. These are basic rules that we are going to implement while writing the names of different carbon compounds. Okay. You can take down the notes. I'm the example taking. Now we're going to see a lot many examples. Just wait. Okay. Yeah. So you know, if you want to write the suffix, if it is carbon-carbon single bond, the suffix is going to be "-ine". If it is carbon-carbon double bond, the suffix is going to be "-ine", and if it is carbon-carbon triple bond, the suffix is going to be "-ine". Simple. Take it. You can take down the notes. Now let's do this. This is very simple. So write the IUPAC name of the following given compounds. Yeah, Shreyas, tell me what is going to be the IUPAC name of this and this. Yeah, tell me. You can speak out. Shreyas, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please give me the answer. Shreyas, are you there in the class? If you're there in the class, please respond. Yeah. Tell me the name. IUPAC name of this. Yeah, you can speak out. I'm going to tell you. So you have to count the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So word root is going to be what? It is going to be hex. Word root is going to be hex. Okay. Now there is no unsaturation, so we do not have to look at the position of unsaturation. Okay. Now carbon-carbon single bond is there. So what is the suffix that we are going to use? It is going to be "-ane". So it is going to be hexane. So it is going to be hexane. Simple. Now coming to this one. So here is unsaturation. So you have to do the numbering from that side where unsaturation comes to the lower carbon. So if you do it from here, 1, 2, 3. At the third carbon, we are getting this triple bond. So if you do it from here, it is going to be at the second carbon, we are getting this triple bond. So we have to see the lowest number. So it's going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 means the word root is going to be what? It is going to be pent. Okay. The word root is going to be pent. Pent. Now see the position of the unsaturation. Is it at 2? It is at 2. So if you want to separate alphabets from numerals, we have to use the hyphen. So here we are going to use the hyphen. Pent 2, and carbon-carbon triple bond is there. So the suffix is going to be what? It is going to be "-ine". So it is going to be pent 2-ine. Y-N-A. So this is going to be the IUPAC name of this particular compound. I hope this is clear. Is it clear, Shreyas? If it is clear, give me a response. Give me a thumbs up quickly. That it is quite clear. Is it clear, Shreyas? Your voice is not coming. You are speaking, but your voice is not coming. I think it is clear. Okay, you can take down the notes. Great. Yeah, let's move forward. Now we have a poll question, and the poll question is there on your screen. Your time starts now, Shreyas. So tell me the IUPAC name of the following compound. Iska IUPAC name क्या हो? ये तो बहुत simple है. Come on, tell me the correct name. Whether it is going to be A, B, C, or D. Come on, quick. Shreyas, come on. What is going to be the answer of this question? Come on. ठीक है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Yeah, you can speak out. Shreyas, you can speak out. It's going to be. Shreyas, your voice is not coming. You can write in the chat box. I cannot hear you. Yeah, it's going to be. Can you please repeat once again? That is what is. I mean, the mistake you are creating is that you are not numbering it rightly. मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? So you have to number in such a way that the unsaturation will get the lowest number. So if you start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So carbon-carbon triple bond is present at the third carbon. So if you number from this side, so can you see it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the very first carbon, we are having this carbon-carbon triple bond. So numbering is correct. This is not the correct numbering. This is the correct numbering. So now tell me the right answer. So if number of carbon atom is 4, it is going to be but. So it is going to be but. Okay. Now tell me the position. It's going to be 1. So no need to write 1. If it is at the first carbon, no need to write. Okay. So carbon-carbon triple bond. So it is going to be "-ine". The suffix that is going to be used is going to be "-ine". It is going to be butyne. So the answer is going to be what? It is going to be butyne. So the answer is going to be this. So you have to do the numbering right. So double bond or triple bond should get the lower number. I hope this is clear. So it's going to be butyne. Okay. All right. Let's see the answer. The answer is going to be exactly what it is there. It is going to be butyne. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay. Let's move forward. So now there is a similar way of naming compounds with functional group as well. So now we are going to talk about that how we are going to do the nomenclature of that compounds which is having functional group. So this concept again we are going